As the title of today's video suggests, I'm going to talk to you about 5 habits of rich people. However, disclaimer, even before I tell you about anything in this video, I do not claim to say that every rich person has all of these 5 habits. Nor am I saying just because somebody has all of these habits, they're definitely rich. No. What I'm trying to bring to your notice is, in principle, most rich people will have incorporated most of these habits in one way or the other. And I'll also obviously give you the reasons why. So just in case if you resonate with this video, amazing, do watch this video over and over again because it may seem very fundamental and basic, but applying these habits is not as easy as it seems. So I hope you understand the disclaimer of this video and resonate with it, and only then watch this video till the end. And do not forget to tell me more about what do you think of this video. Does it resonate with you? What do you like about this video? What do you don't like about this video? Because I'm trying to change something about my YouTube content. I'm trying to make it a little better. I'm trying to incorporate different angles of wealth, money, financial freedom, law of attraction, money blocks into this content. So let's just get started with it. Hello and namaste. I'm Manish Ahuja, founder of Paycheck to Profit, India's first online community digital platform, talking to participants, audience, readers about how to create a very strong money mindset, how to attract more wealth into your life, how to use law of attraction, and how to learn investing and become financially free in the future. Basically, anything and everything that your college and schools or universities or family should have taught you about money, but they didn't. So today's video talks about habits of rich people. The first thing that is absolutely common among most rich people is that they are not penny pinchers. They pay for quality, they buy premium, and they understand the value of money that they are spending. Yes, you may not understand why would somebody pay, let's say, 50,000 rupees for a room for a night in a hotel, or maybe 2 lakh rupees or 3 lakh rupees. A 5 crore worth of a car does not make sense to you. Forget about 5 crores. Even a 40, 50 lakhs worth of a car does not make sense to you. But a rich person knows what are they doing, why are they doing this. They calculate every penny that they spend, so they know why are they spending on their quality, or why are they paying a premium for the product that they are paying. They are not misers, they are not penny pinchers, they don't cut corners, they pay for quality. If you know of any person who is extremely rich and does not pay for quality, figure out, maybe they have some sort of money blocks. Maybe they don't understand the whole concept of the flow of money. Maybe they are trying to portray wealth, but they don't really have as much as they portray. There could be multiple reasons, but almost every rich person will pay for good quality, and that it's hardly ever going to be an exception to this. The second thing, they will always value time. Rich people always will run by a schedule, they always live by the calendar, they absolutely know, they plan days, months, weeks ahead, and they know exactly what they're going to do, let's say 4 weeks from now, 5 weeks from now. I was watching an interview very recently, and the person said, your calendar, show me your calendar for a month and I can show you what your life looks like 5 years down the line. That's how powerful managing your time is. So again, I say this, there's very, very, very small exception to this, but I can't think of anybody who I know in my circuit who has accumulated wealth and does not live by their calendar. Just try to do that for yourself as well. Third point that is absolutely common among all rich people and their habits is they value their health. They treat their body like a temple. They actually take care of their health. They actually do everything in their capacity to stay as fit as possible in their lifestyles. And yes, they take time, take effort, they put in all the possible energy to make sure that they are as fit as they can be. Because they've understood one thing, that they cannot make money, or all the money that they make is of very little use if they cannot have the health to actually sustain the businesses that they've set up, the kind of jobs that they are running, or just not enjoy life as it's supposed to be. The fourth point, which is probably going to be extremely confusing for many people, is that most rich people live an extremely boring life. I'm purposely saying boring. I don't necessarily mean that they are lifeless, they don't have enough things to do. No. What I mean is, if you are somebody who's living healthy, if you're somebody who's running by the clock, if every minute of your day is planned, you are going to live a routine life. You're not going to try to look for new experiences every day. You're not going to try and scroll on social media trying to figure out what is the new thing which, if you don't get, you're going to feel a lot of FOMO of. Rich people don't care about FOMO. They are the ones who are living their life. They have found their passion. They are really loving their work. They actually are dedicated. They are focused towards what they want to do. And that is, again, hardly an exception among people who are rich and who have the right mindset towards money, and who are actually loving the entire process of making more money and creating a lot of value in life. The fifth and the most important point, most rich people who are worth their salt contribute to the society. They give money to charity, they give their time, they volunteer their time, they volunteer their skill sets, they mentor people. Rich people know that becoming rich is not easy. They also know that the world is not fair. So what they do is, this is their way of giving back. They'll give back if in form of money, they'll give back in form of helping somebody else. Most rich people who give, as they say, when you give, let your left hand not know where the money is going from the right hand, and vice versa. So the real rich people, they give so much money, and you will never get to know about those sort of donations, because they don't donate, they don't give for PR or publicity. They give so that more, it's a very personal, it's a very subconscious sort of a thing. It's something that you do for yourself. It's a very spiritual way of looking at wealth and money. If you don't have the heart to give what you have received to somebody who needs it, you will not have the heart to even enjoy the money that you're earning. Do you know of people who have a lot of money and they are living a miserable life? Go and try and ask them this. Ask them if they're donating their money. If somebody has a lot of money and they are living a miserable life, I can almost bet those people do not donate money. They do not contribute. Again, I know I'm making a bold statement. I know there can be exceptions to these rules. I know there are going to be exceptions to every rule that I have said. But my point is not to become controversial. My point is to give you perspective which will help you understand which of these 5 things are you not doing. Are you not managing your time properly? Are you not taking care of your health? Are you somebody who's always feeling left out, or who always fears the entire concept of FOMO? Or are you somebody who does not contribute, who does not give back? What is it that you can do in your life to live a much better life, a more wholesome life, a more holistic life, a more meaningful life? I hope this video has been useful. I hope it has given you some new perspective to think about. I hope it has made you realize that there is a lot more that you can do with your money, and there are many more aspects to being wealthy. If you've liked this video, please do not forget to share your support by liking this video, share this video with others on your social media channels. That's about it from me in today's video. I'll now see you in the next one. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Kaching!